FARMASI's Iconic eyeshadow palette has 9 shimmery shadows and 3 matte. The first step to all my eye looks is using the Pro to Fit Eyeshadow Primer. This will help color correct our eyelids and make our eyeshadows long-lasting. Start by applying struggle in the crease using a medium blending brush. In tapping motions, apply the pigment. Then lightly use the tip of the brush in circular motions to blend the color out. Switch to a clean, larger brush and continue blending. I love Myth. It's my favorite eyeshadow in the whole palette, and here I'm applying it in the outer third area. Using your fingertips always helps when applying shimmery eyeshadows. First, I apply the frosty eyeshadow with the brush, and then I go in with my fingertip. Lastly, I apply Crush in the inner corner. Metal Plum is one of my favorite metallic eyeliners. It's more subtle than black, but it has a fun, bronzy, metallic finish. I do have an easy to follow eyeliner tutorial, and I'll leave it right here for you so that you can watch it later. We're starting off with Bliss for our second look. Bliss has a more cool undertone to it, so it's a nice color to use as a transition shade for any eye look. I'm applying struggle with a big fluffy brush so I can get that blown out, soft, romantic blend. Now I'm taking black truffle and applying it in the outer V corner. I'm using a pencil brush, so I apply very little at a time. Carefully and lightly blend it out in a wing liner shape. Next, I apply our deep look eyeliner in black. The brush to this eyeliner is thin and flexible, but FARMASI does have different eyeliner styles. To give the eyeliner a more soft, romantic look, I'm going to use a smudging brush and lightly smudge the eyeliner. Lastly, we take Crush, a beautiful light golden shimmery shadow, and place it in the inner corner. For this look, we're going to start with leader and take it into our crease with a pencil brush. Keep packing the eyeshadow until you reach the desired intensity and then blend out the edges. Switch to a big fluffy blending brush and blend even further. Next, we take Crush on a small blending brush and apply it on the outer third of our eyelid. Next, I apply Mermaid, a beautiful off-white shimmery color. I'm using it as a transitional color for the next eyeshadow, Idol. Next, I'll be creating a fun ombre eyeliner by using Plum, Gold, and Platinum. Gradually going from darkest to lightest like I did with the eyeshadows. And lastly, we take leader with a smudging brush and apply it in the lower lash line. Our black gel liner is a must in our last look. Be super careful as very little goes a long way. Keep tapping your way up until you reach the crease. Then quickly before it dries, take a small blending brush like a pencil brush and blend the edges. Now you struggle with a blending brush in the crease area. I go back and forth using a pencil brush in the crease area to deepen the color. I also apply it in the lower lash line using the medium fluffy brush so everything can look seamless and blended. Passion is the cutest pink shimmery color, and I apply it in the inner corner. And to give this look more color, I use our lip liner as an eyeliner. I use our liquid eyeliner on our lash line just to cover any empty spaces. I use Idol once again in our inner corner, and this time I use the beautiful Myth eyeshadow in the lower lash line, following the wing line and extending it. To deepen the crease, I go back into struggle with the pencil brush and blend. Lastly, for extra sparkle, I use my fingertips to apply black truffle all over the eyelid. Please share with me in the comments section which eye look you like best. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.